Hello and welcome to this week's What's Hot. Now, first of all, let me take you back to the year 1884 when two household names were created. The first is Jaeger and the second is Marx's Penny Bazaar, now known as Marks and Spencer's. Will roll on 137 years, and the latter has bought the former after Jaeger fell into administration. Now, quite a shrewd move by Marks and Spencer, particularly as their clothes have been a bit dowdy to say the least, and I happen to know Jaeger pattern cutters and they're pretty good. Now the thing is, as more of us go for loungewear during lockdown, what will Jaeger designers come up with in terms of sleep and sofa haute couture? And it's not really the case that the postman's going to catch you in your jammies after lunchtime, because some of you out there haven't received any post for up to a month. So this is one of the trials facing the new boss of Royal Mail. In fact, this is the fourth new boss in 3 years. So welcome to Simon Thompson. He's a former Ocado executive. He also ran the NHS Test and Trace app, and billboarder JB Thistle is such a wag, saying his team needs to deliver. That's very droll, very punny. But one company that relies on a postal service that delivers is a company that I've mentioned a lot in my What's Hot, and it is Games Workshop. Now, Games Workshop sells role-playing game Warhammer, and as more people are playing during lockdown, Games Workshop saw recently announced sales up 26%, hitting a record of over £186 million. Now, the Warhammer community website has 4.7 million viewers, so if you see a new member called The Real Donald Trump, be very careful, because it could indeed be him as he searches for a new platform that has a captive audience for war games. Now, over the past few months, more and more commentary has been devoted to copper. So move over gold, because copper is worth its weight in bullion at least. Copper being the new exploration play. So what a good time for Castillo Copper to announce that it had made a major copper discovery at the appropriately named Big One copper cobalt deposit in Queensland, Australia. This is what he had to say to lse.co.uk's Head of Investor Relations, Donald Leggett.
The headline numbers are, we've come across from two separate holes, two different spans of mineralisation, 40 and 44% wide, at 1.64 and 1.19% copper. Now that's basically a major discovery for us.
So Castillo Copper, another stock to watch. Okay, I'll be back this time next week, but until then, go home. You're special. We love you. Stay safe. Stay well.